My friend, if you are hearing this message right now, it is not by accident. This is Archangel Michael stepping forward with a message straight from the heart of God. And you need to understand that this moment is not just another distraction on your screen, but a divine appointment, because Archangel Michael, the great warrior of heaven, the protector of God's children, comes carrying his sword of light, not to harm you, but to cut away the darkness that has surrounded your life. And he speaks clearly that God is angry, not because he hates you or desires your destruction, but because he loves you too much to watch you keep walking down a path that leads away from him. And so Archangel Michael reminds you that every time you should have died in that accident, every night you should have given up in despair, every sickness that should have taken you out but somehow you survived, he was standing there guarding you, holding back the enemy, whispering to your soul that God still had mercy. But now the time has come when mercy is speaking with urgency, when grace is no longer to be treated as cheap or endless, and God flashes this message before your eyes as a last warning. Because you know in your heart the areas that are broken, you know the sins you've been excusing, you know the addictions, the toxic relationships, the unforgiveness, the bitterness, the jealousy. And Archangel Michael says, enough is enough. Lay it down. Let it go. Return to the one who gave you life, because his anger is like a father slamming the brakes when his child runs into traffic. His shout is like a soldier dragging someone from a burning house. It may be loud, it may be fierce, but it is love. It is protection, and Archangel Michael stands here as a witness that heaven is fighting for your soul, urging you not to gamble with grace, not to say tomorrow, not to say later, because tomorrow is not promised and later may never come. And today, if you hear his voice, do not harden your heart, but turn now, cry out now. Whisper even now, God, forgive me. God, I need you. God, I surrender. And the chains will break. The past will be washed away. His mercy will flood you. His arms will embrace you. For though his anger lasts a moment, his love endures forever. And Archangel Michael assures you that if you choose life now, if you choose God now, then on the day when you stand before the throne, you will not hear, "Depart from me," but instead, "Well done, welcome home." Yet if you ignore this moment, you will remember that the messenger came, the warning was spoken, the voice of heaven reached for you. So my friend, do not waste it. Do not scroll away. Do not silence the tugging in your spirit, because Archangel Michael is here. God is speaking, and this may be the last time he flashes this message before your eyes, and your soul is too valuable to lose. So say yes, surrender, and let heaven fight for you right now.